Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Home Assistant with Google Nest devices, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring that you have both Google Nest and Home Assistant devices set up. Make sure your Google Nest device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Home Assistant. Open the Home Assistant web interface in your browser. Log into your Home Assistant account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Configuration tab in the sidebar. Under Configuration, select Integrations. Click on the plus icon to add a new integration. Search for Google Assistant and select it from the list. Follow the prompts to configure the Google Assistant integration. You may need to enter your Google Cloud Project credentials during this step. If you don't have a Google Cloud Project, you will need to create one in the Google Cloud Console. After creating the project, enable the Google Assistant API for that project. Return to the Home Assistant interface and continue the integration setup. During setup, you will be prompted to link your Google account. Follow the instructions to authenticate and grant necessary permissions. Once linked, you'll receive a token or confirmation in Home Assistant. Now, you need to configure your Home Assistant entities to be exposed to Google Assistant. In the configuration.yaml file, add the entities you want to control through Google Assistant. Make sure to save the changes to the configuration.yaml file. Next, restart your Home Assistant instance to apply the changes. After the restart, go back to the Google Assistant integration settings in Home Assistant. Click on Expose to see the list of available entities. Select which entities you want to be accessible via Google Assistant. After making your selections, save the settings. Now, you will need to set up Google Home on your mobile device if you haven't done so. Open the Google Home app and tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select Setup Device and then choose Works with Google. Search for Home Assistant in the list and select it. Sign in with your Home Assistant credentials when prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the linking process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.